Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello and welcome to Rahman Digital Production. This is the 23rd lecture of Mathematics 4024 and we are going to start exercise 4A. In the last lecture, we discussed a very basic concept of algebra. Today we are going to apply our knowledge of algebra in the form of an exercise. So exercise 4A and question number 1 is saying add 5y to the product of AB. First, we have to write product of AB, and that is AB. And then they are saying add 5y to it. We are making the expression. The question is saying write down an algebraic expression for each of the following statements. Yesterday I told you, ladies and gentlemen, that expression doesn't contain any equal symbol. So the answer of first is the product of AB plus 5y we added. Now subtract 3. So first we have to write minus 3 from the cube of f, and then we have to write cube of f. Remember that a, b and y are the variables and this 3 is constant and this symbol is called operator. Multiply k by 6q. So 6ky will be the answer. Divide 2w. Very easy. 2w divide by 3xy. Subtract 4 times of the positive square root. So we have to write the positive square root of z and we have to subtract it from the thrice of x. So thrice of x we can write 3x. Now the final part is saying twice the variable p divided by, so twice the variable p will be 2p divided by the product of 5q. So these are the simple equations, expressions, not equation, that we can create by giving the ladies and gentlemen, here they given us theoretically and we wrote the mathematically. It is also possible that they give you the mathematical form and you have to write the theoretical form. So the reverse is also possible. Keep this in mind. Now we are turning our focus to question number 2. Question number 2. And we are expanding our knowledge. Given that x is equal to 6, the value of x is 6, y is equal to minus 4, y is equal to minus 4. Evaluate each of the following. Number A part is telling me that 4x minus 7y. 4x minus 7y. Let us consider and clear our concept of the what of the algebraic expression. Here For example, there is a box which is named as X, and there is minus symbol, and there is a box Y. I told you that if we don't know the values of variables in advance, this is algebra. Now here they given us that X is containing 6 and Y is containing minus 4. That is now open to us. Now the question is saying 4 time of X minus 7 time of Y. So now we have to put here those values. 4 and X value is given as 6 minus 7 and minus 4 because Y value is, so for 6 are 24 and this minus will become positive when multiplied with this minus symbol, and that is 28. 7 fours are 28. Here also we can do that 24 plus 28, and when we add these two, so the ultimate answer will be 52. Ladies and gentlemen, that was part number A. Now we are going to part number B. And part number B is saying that uh, 5x divided by 3y, 5x divided by 3y plus x. Now people are always saying that what is x and what is y. They given you the value of x and y, so you have to simply replace that variable by its value. For example, 5 and x value is 6, divide by 3 and y value is minus 4 plus again 6. So this is 5, 6 are 30 and that is minus 12 plus 6. Now ladies and gentlemen, we are taking the LCM as 12. So when 12 is divided by this 12, it will yield 1. And when 1 is multiplied by this minus 30, you have to keep in mind this minus. And then plus symbol will come on its place when nothing is in the denominator. So you have to consider it as 1. 12 divided by 1 is equal to 12. And when 12 is multiplied with 6, so it will yield 72. Now you have to subtract this 20 from, this 30 from 72. So it will give you 42 with the positive symbol because larger number is 72 and plus is the symbol. So 12. 3 fours are and 3 14s are. Then 2 twos are and then 2 sevens are. So it means we will only be left with 7 divided by 2. And when we divide 7 by 2, we get 2 threes are 6 and 1. So it means that it is 3 whole 1 over 2. 3.5 is the answer. Now C part, we will do, and C part is saying that 2x square minus y, 2x square minus y, and that is cube, y cube. This is the question. Putting the values on its place, because this is 6, so 6 square minus 4 whole cube. So it means that this is 2 and that will be 36, minus and that will be minus 64, because when we multiply 3 times minus 4, so it will give you minus is the uh, result. When this minus is multiplied with this, so it will become positive, and this 2 is multiplied with 36, so it will yield 72, and the ultimate answer is 136. And that is the ultimate answer. Now, D part is saying that D part. D part is saying that 3x plus x divided by y. 3x plus x divided by y, and there is one more term, and that is minus y square. Minus y square. So we have to put the given values 3, and instead of x we will write x plus 6 divided by minus 4 minus 4 whole square. Ladies and gentlemen, 3 6 are 18, and minus, this minus will multiplied with this plus, it will yield minus, and we can, to 3 to 2s are 4, to 3s are 6, so we can simply write 3 over 2 minus, and that minus 4 when multiplied 2 times it will give you positive 16. Ladies and gentlemen, don't multiply first this minus with this minus. So now we are taking the LCM as 2, and this will become 36 minus 3 minus 32. So when we are writing 36 minus 35 divide by 2, so it means 1 over 2 is the ultimate answer. 1 over 2 is the ultimate answer. Now we are moving one step ahead, and we are coming to question number 3. They also given you the values of variables. So the first part is saying that uh, given that a is equal to 3, a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 5, and c is equal to 6. Yes, they given us, and then they are saying evaluate each of the following expression. Ladies and gentlemen, when we were doing the training of CIE physics from the principal examiner of this course, who is making these papers for you, they told us that there are keywords, and every keywords yield different meaning. Evaluate means that do your process, don't write directly the answer. So evaluate is a keyword, and you have to write this in the simplest form evaluate means. What does it mean? It means that if this answer was 2 over 6, it can be further reduced. So two ones are and two threes are like this. Evaluate means that you have to show your process clearly and then get the answer. So here we will discuss different evaluation when the time is coming. For the time being, a multiplied by 3c. Let us rewrite the question. I wrote the question again. Here A is equal to 3, B is equal to minus 5, and C is equal to 6. The first part is saying that evaluate if you put these values inside this expression. So in place of A, I am writing 3, and then I am writing 3, and in place of C, I am writing 6 minus and minus 5. So let us evaluate first this. 3 6 are 18, minus and minus will become positive, and that will become 5. So, ladies and gentlemen, if I am further simplifying it, so it will be 23. And when I multiply it, it will be 69. So, 69 is the answer. B part is saying that uh, B part is saying that AB square minus AB square minus A and C. AB square minus AC minus AC. Instead of A, I am putting 3 minus 5 whole square minus 3 into 6. I put it the respective values. So this is 3 into 25 minus 18. 75 minus 18, and when we subtract that from 75 18, then we will get 757. 57, and that is the ultimate answer. C part is saying that b divided by a minus c divided by b, minus c divided by b. Okay, we have to put the values. B value is minus 5, a value is 3, C value is 6, again B value is minus 5. Uh, this is minus 5 over 3 plus 6 over 5, because when this minus multiplied with the second negative, it will give you a positive. This negative sign is here. Here I am taking 15 as the LCM. So minus 25 plus 18. Minus 25 plus 18. So if I subtract this, so minus 7 divided by 15 is the ultimate answer, because this 7 is not divisible by this 15. So that is why I am writing it like this. D part is having more fun. So B plus C, B plus C divide by A plus A plus C divide by b. Now again we are putting the respective values. So minus 5 plus 6 divide by 3 plus 3 plus 6 divide by minus 5. Now first we are getting here 1 over 3 and then minus, because this plus when multiplied with this minus, so it will give you this, and 9 divided by 5. Ladies and gentlemen, now we have to take the LCM as 15, and that will be 5 minus 9. So 5 minus 9 mean minus 4 divided by 15. Minus 4 divided by 15. Uh, Ladies and gentlemen, this is, let us see this question again. B is minus 5 divided by A. Sorry, B minus 5 plus C, and C is 6, and divide by A is 3. Plus symbol is on its place, and 3 plus the value of A is 3 plus the value of C, and this is minus 5. So minus 5 plus 6 is 1 over 3 minus 9 divided by 5. So when we are taking the LCM, so 3 5s are 15 and 5 minus 9, and that is 5 minus 9 divided by 15. Again it is minus 4 divided by 15. Now question number 4, and question number 4 is bringing more of the fun, in which they are saying there is a keyword simplify. So it means that you have to write the ultimate answer, which cannot be further simplified. 5x 5x plus 22 minus 6x minus 23. So we are going to evaluate. Now here is the trick. You have to first rewrite the same variables, and then you have to write the constants separately. So I am writing 5x minus 6x plus 22 minus 23, and 5x, so that will be minus x, and this will be minus 1. So it will be like this, minus x minus 1. Now B part is saying that x plus 3y, x plus 3y and plus 6x plus 4y plus 4y. Now I have to rearrange and combine the same variable, because x cannot be added with y. Consider that x are horses and y are cats. So horses can be added with the horses and cats can be added with the cats. Cats cannot be added with the horses. So x plus 6x plus 3y plus 4y. So 7x plus 7y Remember, ladies and gentlemen, from this you can take 7 as a common. So x plus 7x plus y is the answer. This is also the correct answer, but you can write this answer as a further simplification as well. Now we are doing the C part. 6xy plus 13x minus 2yx minus 2yx, and then we are having minus 5x. Now ladies and gentlemen, there is one, that is why I am telling you that in every question there is one trick. In this, the trick, if I am leaving this question, you will miss one trick. Xy and yx are the same. For confusion, they wrote minus 2yx. So I can write 6xy minus 2xy instead of minus 2yx, because this is multiplication. So 2 multiplied by 8 or 8 multiplied by 2 will yield the same result. So plus 13x minus 5x. Now 6 minus 2 means 4xy plus 8x, and that is the answer. D part is saying that 6x minus 20y plus 7z. There are three variable inside it. Minus 8x plus 25y minus 11z. Ladies and gentlemen, writing these questions from the book again and again is time wasting, but we have to do it. Now this will be combined. So 6x minus 8x. Now this and this minus 20y plus 25y, and finally this and this plus 7z minus 11z. Now we have to perform simple arithmetic calculation. This will be minus 2x and this will be plus 5y, and this will be minus 4z, and that is the ultimate answer. Now we are turning our focus to question number 5, which is the last question of this basic scenario. So we are writing a part, and that is 2x plus, find the sum of each of the following. One group they given is 2x plus 4y, and the second is minus 5y. You have to add. This comma means plus, because in the question clearly it is saying that uh, find the sum of each of the following expressions. So we have to write first 2x plus 4y plus and minus 5. So first we have to evaluate this expression, 4y minus 5, and that is y, I think, minus 5y. Yes, this is minus 5y. This will be also minus 5y. So 2x has no companion, so you have to write it alone, and this will yield you minus y. B part is saying that minus b minus 4a minus b minus 4a, then comma is there, which is the representation of plus 7b minus 6a minus 6a. Ladies and gentlemen, you have to rewrite it as it is. Plus will be replaced, comma will replace the plus 7b minus 6a. Now we have to add b with b and a with a. So first the turn of a. So I am writing this minus b plus 7b. This will be equal to minus 10a, and this will be equal to plus 6b. This is the answer, but I can further simplify it if I am taking 2 from it. So minus 5a plus 3b. This is the more evaluated and simplified answer. Now C number part is saying that uh, 6d minus 4c, 6d minus 4c comma minus 7c plus 6d plus 6d, sorry, yes, 6d. So 6d minus 4c plus minus 7c plus 6d. 6d plus 6d minus 4c minus 7c. 12d minus 11c. So this is the answer. Final part for today is D, and that is 3pq, 3pq minus 6hk minus 6hk comma, and then minus 3qp minus 3qp and plus 14kh plus 14kh. I am simply writing 3pq minus 3pq because I am writing qp is a pq. There is no mathematical rules violation. Minus 6hk plus 14hk. Again, I am writing this kh as hk. So 3p and 3. So this will be cancelled, and minus 6 and 14. So it means 8 HK is the answer. That's it, ladies and gentlemen, for today. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please share it with your friends if you consider that it is worth of sharing. Many kids will take advantage from it from class 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. All these we started from very beginning, so everyone can take advantage of it. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you will be notified immediately when I upload a new video. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.